Make a great choice today with the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.